Let's start now. So this is the password. The password is a UBS, capital letter. Try to sign in. So this is a company name. So let's say you are a new company. So you need to create a new company. Okay. So let's say your company name called ABC company. You try don't put the company name. Let's say you got so long one. You don't put so long because of your database will become longer and longer. So we try to put short form first. Let's say your company called ABC company, you put ABC. Then you try to tap the keyboard. They will appear the ABC company. Then you next. Okay, next time. They will go to generate the data for you. You can see. Okay. After that, the company name is called ABC already, right? Then you know, right? ABC. Then you can click this one setting. Okay, click this setting. You can change to full name. Okay. Yeah, too fast, you have to stop me. Okay. Then we sign in. The first time you need to generate the data. The cut out the message to generate is when you do the upgrading or to upgrade the new version, they will ask you to generate. Let's say the next time you see, hey, how come my database got upgrade data? Because you get the new version. So you get a new version, they will ask you to generate the data. The updating for the program is like, let's say now you generate, right? You already process your pay already, already transfer your pay to your employee, then you don't update first. You need to do month-end first. You wait for a while. My demo expired. You wait for a while. For a while. I need to get the key first. So yeah, wait me 2 minutes. This is the activation key. When you get the license, right, you're going to have the ID and the activation code. So this is control your license periodic for the valid for the 1 year. So sometimes you need to renew your license. Once you activate, okay, once you activate, then you finish. Yes, we sign in. Okay, you can check your license verification for where is the expiry date for the next. This one until December this year. Okay, this is your registered company. Okay. Normally, this one we do for you. We will activate for you. Just in case, let's say the license out of running, I mean, they will appear this one. There's something wrong with the window updating. They will update the license file. So sometimes you need to reactivate. Okay. So now we resign in the payroll. It says for beginning the company, you need to do is housekeeping. You need to go to housekeeping, set up, parameter set up. So the first thing you need to do is this one: your company name, address, ROC number, register number, and then this one of course in Malaysia. So where you want to start your payroll, let's say you want to start from February, you put February. Okay. For the January, how I want to go into key in, never mind. That one can be later, can update to manually. Okay. Let's say you want to do the process the pay for February. Let's say lah, huh? Okay, we put January. So year put 20224. Okay. Then just press OK. Apply. Okay. So I switch to the modern mode, maybe easy to see. Okay, this is a modern mode. Let me try. My screen too small. Try to adjust my screen. See screen. See screen too small. If my screen too small, you need to scroll to the left side. Okay, you can see this one. Let's see. Thing. Can see or not? Can see? Okay, we go to add new. This is the employee. So you need to get the information for employee, you need to key in. Okay. You have to collect the data for employee, so you need to key in the employee number, employee code. Employee code normally sometimes same with the employee number. Sometimes different. This one different, maybe you are using the machine. I mean company machine or what. Maybe got number. Okay, this is the employee name. Okay, the IC number. And course date of the birth. Oh, the races in Chinese, Indian, Malay. Okay, this one I can put. Let's go. You got another races you can create. You can create. This is a major one. Is a major one. Religion also is a major one. Let's say you don't in the others, you put others. Or you can create your own religion. Okay, you are Bumiputra or not? If you yes, you put yes. You are Malay, put Malay. You are Christian, put Christian. Okay. So status, this is status, you are married or not married. Then this is for calculation for PCV. They will involve your PCV. They will ask you spousal you working or not. If working, number of children, if let's say you want to put in, they will become the different code. This one the release code. Okay, so for children, let's say number of children release has been okay. Yeah, this is a calculation for PCV. This one. Okay, this is all the information. Let's say you get the information from employee, then you need to key in. If you have key in, you don't have no need. This is non-citizen. Non-citizen is for the foreigner. Foreigner. If you got foreigner, you need to key in the foreigner status. This is foreigner. Of course, if you got a foreigner, you got the permission for the I mean the work permit, then you can key in the detail, the detail, the work permit number, whatever, when it expired. But some of them they don't have the permission. They can put none. Okay. Some company they don't have. I show my some company they don't have. They how to do? They separate the database. They separate out the database. Sorry. Yeah, I call you back. I call you back. For meetings. Okay. Okay. So far this one okay. Yeah. So basic information so far okay. No problem. Wait for. Okay, if no problem, I jump to the employee information. So employee information is for the title the title of the employee. Then you want to put under what lines like department and category It's a control of the label I mean it's a label. Maybe you want to put label 1, label 2, label 3 or what Or either you want to put to department or branches. You can create a setting. Where to create this one? Line, branch, department. Later I show you how to create. Okay, the category also send. Then just click in. Okay. So the date of join. Okay, when it's confirmed. And this is a resign. Resign is for, let's say I going to resign for next month. Let's say lah. So January you need to update in. If you delay to update it, mean to say the February they still can process the pay. So that one you have to manually off the status. Off the status meaning this one. Let me see here. The active you have to put non-active. This one you put non-active. Okay. Okay, this is status existing or new join before this year. This is a core pension, not pensionable Okay. And you are under contract or not contract If you're under contract staff, you put contract There you go the status. Okay. Okay, this is pay information. So pay information is for so far okay 聽得到 没问题啊。这样哈。So this is a basic rate. So let's say your basic rate is under monthly. You put monthly lah, huh? Okay, this is the amount. Let's say I put amount 5,000. The increment is for let's say 1 year already. So the company is going to upgrade or increment for the salary. So you can put increment amount lah. 1,000 maybe from the date from when, huh? Maybe this one is under 06 2024. 2024. After reach the month, they will automatically update 5,000 to 6,000. Update 5 to 6,000, huh? Mid-month increment meaning half lah, huh? It's called half month increment, huh? So the type you need to put under monthly, yearly, or monthly, daily or hourly, huh? Okay. Then the pay status, you're going to pay by check or bank, up to you lah, huh? So this is the status. Let's say the staff already resigned for this month, so you need to put non-active. Unless you before do the month, you need to put the resign date, they'll automatically change to non-active. Non-active meaning to say when you do the process pay, the pay slip they won't show up the staff. Okay. The confidential nature. This is a confidential label lah. Normally the one is the highest one. 3 is the lower one. Or let's say some of the staff manager label they don't have they don't allow label 1 people to see the amount, so you put label 1. Okay, you put label 1. Then when you sign in the password, it's the admin password can see the label 1. Otherwise, others only can see the label 3. It's the bank code. Bank code means you link to the bank, then you can you need to get the bank coding. So this is the bank account. So actually they got the a lot of bank account. You need to set out the bank account letter lah, huh? Okay. So okay, then we jump to allowance. So allowance is this is a fixed allowance. Fixed allowance meaning to say the monthly get the fixed one. Let's say I got the petrol allowance is a fixed one. Handphone allowance, let's say I put handphone allowance $100, then I put 100. If you got another, you put another now. You see, because this one title not yet create, right? Later I'll show you how to get the title for this one. All this is a deduction. Deduction. If you got deduction, you can create also lah. Basic in kind, you also can create. Yeah. Then we jump to government setting. This is an employee TPN number table. Normally table is 1113 lah, 1130. Even though you are in the, I mean how to say okay, let's say your basic amount is 5,000 is considered under 13%, right? If you get the bonus 5,000 again, that means you over the 5,000, but the basic is still under 5,000, is still considered 13%. Okay, still under 13%. So let's say your basic rate is over 5,000, you become table 2. No matter your bonus get how many, what amount you get, you also get the 12% only. Okay, understand? This one you don't know, you can check with the government department, the labor department. You have to check with them, then they will show you how to do this one, But so far it's settings like this, you can choose, for those over 60-year-old, you can create either the employer pay only, you have to choose, or pay half. You have to choose which one you want to choose. Actually they got table here, Yeah. Okay. This is a category is account. Is a EPA account number for company one. This is a Majikan. This is a Majikan number. This is Majikan number. Oh, this is also normally we use IC lah. Huh? Okay, you did this release. Did this release, they will appear in the EA form. If you don't want to appear in the EA form, you don't tick. Oh, you don't tick. Huh? Then your contribution for the EIS, if yes, you put yes. Huh? You must tick. You must tick this one. Otherwise, they won't show you the EIS amount. If you okay, this is a test account lah. Let's say you got test account, test number, you put in. Okay, you put in. You are what? You are under resident or non-resident? No? Resident, huh? Non-resident is a foreigner. Okay. This is a release, huh? Release normally, okay, this one is a previous employer, the let's say your staff just joining in February. So January they in other company. Let's say they will give you the amount of the figure, then you key in because this one is for calculation for the PCB lah. If you want to calculate PCB, of course you need to get the up to date one from the previous amount lah. When you want to pay last month what amount you pay lah. What amount you pay, then you key in, then they will update to the system. They will follow the outstanding. They will recalculate the figure for the PCB lah, for the following months. Okay, this is a release lah. The release, if you want to help the staff to update the release amount, you need to key in. If you don't want, just leave it blank. Just leave it blank. Okay. Of course, you key in the release, the PCB will be less. Okay, because the catcher, the amount for they will deduct the deduction for the release. Okay, then you save. Okay, once you save, first you can see the list here. Okay, you can see the list here. You can sort by name, department, job title. Okay, so let's say you want to edit. Put here. Okay, this one screen nice to see, right? Easy, right? Yes. Last time a demo one is another one, right? It's old one. Let's say let's say you don't like this screen, you can change back to normal screen. Normal classic one. Oh, this is a classic one, huh? Actually, it's the same one, huh? Oh, the fashion difference only. Okay, see which one you want, huh? This one is a new one. This is a new layout. This is a new layout. Okay, action update. You can update allowance deduction. Let's say the deduction allowance, allowance for table one is a fixed. For those all the employee get the same figure. You just update all the $100 to all the employee. This is a faster way. Oh, this is a faster way. Faster lane. This is we call faster lane. Oh, leave if you want to help them to update the leave also can. Okay, you can key in the update leave. This year entitled how many days? Any MC entitled, any medical, they got a lot of leave, list claim whatever, Normally we got this one, brought forward and entitled, Actually they can generate one, system can generate if you want, you can generate normally annual leave for first year 8 day. Second, okay, you can choose the category if you want. If you don't want, just manually to key in, or you can set in. You can set in also can if you want to generate your company policy to follow your company policy. If you company policy is more than 8 day, or you can update to the system. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. This literature record. No, this is record for info. This info only. Okay. Historical maintenance. This one nothing. So the more important thing is this one, add new one, then you get the info in update, the amount of the salary, then government you need to update. And this one. Okay, so far okay. For the personal, okay, personal employee information to update to the system before process the payroll. Oh, I will show you the how to create the how to generate the table of the allowance here. You go to setting, okay, go to setting, go to payroll table maintenance. You can see the allowance table. Okay, this is allowance table. So you can create your title for your allowance. Okay, you can key in the allowance title. Okay, you can see here. Okay, the allowance they will deduction for what? They will deduct for EPF, social, and EIS or not? If yes, you need to tick. If no, you don't tick. Okay. If you know, you don't tick. If yes, you tick. Okay. Okay. This is a HRDS. Okay, next. Next. Okay, this is called fix. Fix means to say you fix in the personal. Personal mean you put in the personal amount. So when you generate the second half or first half payroll, the amount is stick today. So you no need to every time update the figure. So let's say the amount is different, like petrol. Petrol allowance is different. So you need to put V. V is variable. So this one allowance formula you need to take out. You take out, then of course you need to tick this one, this one, this one. Okay, you want that, you don't want, you can put, you also can, up to you lah, but follow the law. You have to follow the law lah. If you not follow, I also cannot see, right? Yeah. Nah, okay, set it. Then you go back to the employee. You can see the table. Allowance table is here. Right? You can see the handphone and the petrol. Yeah. This is the title. Even though the deduction also same, you can create your own deduction. Okay. Okay. The deduction you can see you can see another one is like this. Deduction. Table deduction. Okay, see deduction. Let's say you got you can see here. If you got this loan return, you got levy, you got tabang patuma, okay, you have to follow the fixed one. Actually, they can change the number of the info because this one is default. So this one meaning to say you have to put here. Let's say for CP38, you have to put here. CP38, you have to put here. Okay. Either it's a fixed or variable. It's fixed, you put fixed. Fixed meaning to say every month I need to pay to the CP38 for how many what the amount you want to pay in. Okay, let's say I put CP38 is here. You cross, pay to the employee. Okay. You go to the allowance deduction, you can see CP30 here. Let's say I put 100. You need to say every month I need to put 100. The system will auto generate 100 to the CP38. CP38. This one I think is this one not a PCV. This is I mean the company delay pay or what, I don't know lah. Or need to pay extra or what. It's called CP38. Okay. So we jump to no more. This one no more. This is a employee table. This is an employee age or over 60. The only employer pay the contribution. Oh, if your those are employee over 60 years old, then you no need manually back to here because they follow this one. They follow this one. If over 60, the government part this one, okay, they automatically change to table this one, 4% or 5%. 4%. Half lah. Half lah, I think. I think half. Actually, the I mean some of the company the employee part and the employer part company pay. Okay, company pay. If let's say you want a company pay, you need to set in the set. Uh, uh, company pay the company pay the see setting not in here. You need to switch to here. I show you where to pay the employee. Is here lah. This one pay by employer. Oh, this one no select is not is a default lah. If you select, that's mean you can choose whether and EPA and also is under employer or employee pay lah. Okay, you can set lah. This one you can set. Number of payment you can set also, but by default is up to you lah. By default, the calculation for the EPF calculation for the OT 4,000 and 10,000 10,000。对啦，等一下打给你，等一下打给你，我 meeting，等一下打给你，打进来。OK，ASAP switch back to Kasim. For employee part OK，so far OK，没问题会太快吗？Very fast or too slow？
不会。
不会OK So we jump to the next step The next step is go to payroll. Payroll is process the payroll. I mean the process pay. Okay. So you can see here is a January, right? So this is the first half. This is the second half. This is bonus. This is commission. This is extra. Okay, this is a report. So let's say you have only once a month. You go to second half. You don't go to first half to generate the report. Then the figure will be the calculation for the EBA letter will be different. Let's say you generate from first half, because first half is half only. So we go back to the second half. Then we use quick entry. Sorry, you click this one. Action, normal pay. Okay, then you key in this is a salary, right? Okay, this is a day work. This is a working day. Normally working day we put 26 day. If you follow okay, day work, let's say you want to put day work 20 days. Okay, let's say you got public holiday. Let's say you want to update you can key in the public holiday, how many days you want to key in 2 days. They got that leave. How many days they leave? 2 days. 24 already, right? Okay, let's say they have 2 days non-paid leave. We call non-paid day. If you don't know this one MC or MT or what, you can scroll let me see where to see this one short form. I show you this is called allowance table. Except here. The table is here, setting. If you don't know the setting, you can go to here. Table. next to the end. This is what is the meaning of the W day, day work, public holiday, okay, annual leave, medical leave, maternity leave, marriage leave, compensation leave, hospital, other pay leave, adjustment, shutdown is die now, die already now. Not pay leave. Normally we put NPL lah. You don't put LS lah. Not 9 to C lah. Absent lah. Okay. Yeah. So we back to the payroll. Payroll. Second half. Yeah. Okay. Today, let's say the total 246, 26. Okay. Allowance. Let's say you got another allowance for the petrol. You can key in here. Okay. Any deduction? You got deduction, you can key in here. No? If you don't have no need, then this one this is if I read this is for product one. They're using the product to claim the amount. Okay? This is a release. Okay. BIK, if you got your key in, you don't let's say you don't need to key in, then you save it. When you save it, then you need to process pay. Okay, you need to run process pay. Okay, once you're done, the system will generate the figure cut out. You can see here. Then you can print the slip. This is a layout. Okay, this is a layout. This is the OT. The OT rate is based on the 26 day divide your amount 5,000 divide 26 divide 8 hours. Then you can get the amount of the you times 1.5 because OT is 1.5 1.5 2 3 up to you then you just put in the you get from the attendant, right? You calculate from system already. You know what is the amount already. You just key in the figure instead of the posting if you're using the fingertip one, they can direct posting the total of the OT hours to the system. Meaning to say, you can skip this one. Let's say you're using the fingerprint software, they can automatically update to the system. Only the OT or learners. The total of the hours or days, hour or days. This is called days. You see, this is day. This is called hours. This is my hours. Yeah. So this is for every month you need to do the process. You need to process. Then once you process, then you can print. Here. The format you can choose layout you can choose. You can change. You can change. This sample. You can email. E-payslip. E-payslip you might have the Microsoft Office. The license of the Microsoft Office. Then you can email out. The email you need to key in for the staff. Okay. For the staff. The personal being employee here. You need to key in here. Email address. Where is the email address? Not the email. Next thing. Here. You need to key in the email address. Okay. This say simple. apc.aligning.com. That's your e-payslip. Payroll payslip. E-payslip. You set up. Once the staff open, they need to key in the password. The password is based on the IC number. IC number. IC number. Based on IC number. They got the security. If you don't have this one, if you don't have email, you want to print out by the printer, you can buy the confidential payslip form. We also do the we also do the payslip form also. You can purchase from us, huh? Okay. But this one got a lot of, I mean, layout. You can choose what layout you suitable to use. Okay. I mean, can add in some logo also can, huh? If you want to put logo, whatever. You can put your company logo if you want. Okay. One company, let's say got 10 company, got 10 different logo, then you need to generate 10 company logo into a system. Once you want to print, then you need to choose what are the template you want to choose. Okay. This is the layout. Yeah, this is the layout. Then put some picture in. Put some picture in. Choose logo, then picture. Yes. Then press OK. You can see the logo. Yeah. Okay. So this is a generate for the payslip now. Okay. Okay. For this one, okay. So far this one okay. For the generate for payslip, so far okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we jump to the bonus. Let's say you got the bonus, okay. Let's say you got the bonus, you want to key in, you can key in the bonus number on the month, percentage or amount. Let's say you want to key amount. Let's say I get 8,000. Okay. You need to process also. Okay. But you get a bonus, you need to process the bonus first before you process the. If you process the bonus already, you need back to second half, you need to reprocess your pay because calculation of EPF and social and APF and the PCV will be different. Okay, once you process, you can print out individually. Once you want, if you don't want, you can print total. This is an individual payslip. That's only, yeah. Okay, bonus only. Then you can print by total also. This is the total. This is the total. This is the total. Okay. This is together with the, so calculation of the EPF is together, is 8,000 plus your salary. Okay. Sometimes will be, if you individual calculation will be less one or $2. The difference. If you total out, the figure might be the same. Okay. This is a payslip. Okay. Report, you can print the management report. So this one is a total, total of the basic, bonus, OT, allowance, okay, deduction, PCV, social, any social, any EIS. Oh, this one is summary. Normally this one pass to the account. Pass to the account. If let's say you don't want show up the person of the name, you don't put you don't show, maybe you don't, you need to go to the report. Maybe you don't choose the name. You can choose, I mean, total listing. You can choose this one. This one, oh, yeah, this one also, oh. Uh, oh, bonus, this is a commission, this bonus, this commission. Let's say you got another, I mean, individual, because some of the company, they start only get the commission only. So you need to process commission by here. Actually, the commission they can apply in two ways. One is here, one is under allowance. Some of the company, they apply under allowance. They put under allowance. Put under allowance. If you don't put under allowance, you put under you put under commission also same because this one is individual commission now. They will this one mainly for commission only. Extra is another amount another amount beside the bonus and the commission. Maybe they want to pay another extra amount for them. It's called extra amount. Okay, and under that. So reporting is here. Month-end report you can print. This is a management report. So we go to report here. First half, second half. Payroll. Monthly report. This is a report. This report you want to print. The bill report. Okay. This is a report for, let's say, this is only for the second half report. Let's say without the bonus. If you don't have bonus, you can print by this one. If you print by this one, then you can choose allowance table only, deduction table only, OT only. Up to you. Up to you. Okay. This is allowance table, individual. Then you can see what is a 1, 2. Show you the amount. Yeah. This is a summary report. They don't have the name. This is show to the account. Okay. This is this is allowance, total of the allowance. Okay. For the report, then you can see the EPF report. The EPF report actually you can submit to the EPF or submit to the bank up to the your company submission. If you follow bank, you need to set up the addresses. We call address and account. Okay. So let's say this is a bank. So you need to key in your bank company, ABC company, C company, then the bank account for the company. Okay. You can choose what are the bank you are going to link. What are the bank you're going to link? Maybank or whatever. And then office in charge. You key office in charge. Who liaise with the bank, manager or what. Okay. Setting. This is a bank only. So this is a EPF. You also need to key your EPF. Company number, then majikan number. Okay, and let's say you only link to the EPF. If you link to the bank, you need to choose the bank. But if you link to the bank, you need to liaise with the bank official. You need to say, oh, I'm going to use the UBS in next 2 months, so I will going to send the sample for testing. They will show you, they will send you the sample file to make sure the file is similar with ours. Sometimes need to do some adjustment because some of them sometimes bank they do the adjustment for the setting. So we need to do setting also. Like this is a bank setting. Sometimes we need to adjust something into the system. Normally Maybank will be faster. Maybank is a payment bank for the the update thing will be the faster. Other bank will be delay a bit. Other bank will be delay a bit. Yeah. This is the list. So this is a bank, then you choose another is okay. So this is okay. View this. This is EPF. This is a so-so, huh? So text also need to update. Huh? Okay, yeah, it's also. Yeah. Whatever bank the company majikan account number you need to update. Huh? Once you update in, then you can go to the report. Arrow. You can see the report is different already. They will show you the majikan number. They'll show you the majikan number. Okay, actually you can send to say this one you want to send to this is to addresses EPF. Let me see. This one can export the file to try to book. Okay. This is a submission for the test. I mean the TSD file update to the bank without your key in. I mean this is a EPF website. You can update once the website can allow you to upload, then you can choose the file to upload. No matter it's bank or government sector, huh? No matter this one, yeah, EPF, EIS also can. This is EPF, this is a social, this one also can. This one also can submit. Okay, so far okay. This is all the report. You need to print out or you need to save up. You need to save to the you can save to the documents, okay. Okay. And then report income tax report. Okay, income tax report is normally CP39. You see this one? You can see CP38 here. So just now, if you configure, you need to key, then you key into the personal there, then you update to the system. Oh, CP38. This is CP39. This is PCV, you know, the current PCV. Current PCV. For the yearly, this one, yearly CPA, CPA is EA form. This one is a EA form. But EA form, you need to let's say you starting from February or what, you need to update the pay, the report. I mean the amount for the figure, year to date figure. You need to update. Yeah. You need to update in the figure, 12-month figure update. Let's see where is the report. Unless you need to do my end. Let me see, I do one my end for you. One you want to generate to the February, this one January. So one do closing, my end, then just go forward. We jump to February. We jump to February, then the reporting. The CPA. You need to generate. So put 0. This one got minimum figure lah, but we put 0, then they can assign. This is a figure. This is a release. I mean the EPA and social. EIS and social. This EIS and social. let's see. That's for yearly lah, huh? So CPA is for submission for the B license. This one. Actually, this one can submit by text file also, huh? Without to key in. I mean, you can submit through text file. If you got a lot of employee you need to update, so this one just up to that, then you key in. Key into the system, then they will update to the they will update to the website. No? Okay. Normally you key in, right? You have to key one by one, right? Through the system, right? This one, Borang E. It's for government part. Huh? For government. This is all the government report. All government report. CP22 is for those resign or get the new employees in. No? CP, CV, can see. Okay. So, okay. You can see here more action. Actually, they have another called deduction. If you got loan deduction, you can update here. You can key in the loan. Let's say you loan the amount to the staff. Then you key in the debt. You key in the debt too. Then their deduction will be in the 12th. This is a monthly installment. Monthly installment to the personal account. They will deduct from the salary. This one. This is for loan. The other one is advance. The other one is advance. Advance, you can key in amount 100, 200, 200, 7. Then you can process to the process. You process, then go to the report. Go to the view. So, any deduction? No amount, not there yet. Pay by percentage. But, yeah. So, if kita uh, put here. Then this one we go to reprocess. Wherever you update the advance, you need to reprocess the pay. View. Oh, the system will show you what happened here. Okay. They will deduct the advance on the staff. Okay. Normally this one advance. So that's let me see other than any setting for the okay. This is for update for those let's say I starting from February, so January I don't have the figure, so I can manually key. Or I need to update 12-month figure from last year, also can. You need to manually key in one by one. Then you can generate the EA form. And also can submit to the BE. You also can submit the BE with this one. Oh, this is a manually key. We call 12-month figure update. Yeah. Okay. After you update, you need to recalculate. Then they will generate to the EN. Okay. Recalculate. You run these two, calculate 12-month figure and the recalculate to that figure. Okay. Then they will show you the figure report. Okay. This is process pay. For the process pay so far, okay? Anything? Want to ask? Process pay, bonus, anything want to ask? The calculation for the bonus. The, if let's say you want to fix the PCV, you want to fix the PCV. Let me show you here. Switch to classic here. I show you the fixed one. This is a fixed PCV. Fixed PCV meaning let's say the figure I don't want this one. I want to put 200. So this one I need to put P. P is for PCV. O is for OT, overtime, EPF, also, and the benching. So the figure you can update manually. This is called manually update. Manually update meaning I put P, I put 200, then I process. I will process again, then the figure become 200. The figure of the amount become 200. Okay. Let's see, it's 200. 200, no? Actually, you can because some of the time they need to recalculate, they calculate from e-calculator. Hey, how come my e-calculator and this one is different? So they want to manually to update, then you can use the manual one. Oh, if you don't want, you have to use the system to generate. Normally we use the system to generate easier because you already use the system, right? So system will generate for you. You pay more. Let's say the figure calculation is more than the e-calculator. Never mind, this one we pay more. At the end of the year, they do the submission for the tax. They will refund for you for the staff. Oh, for staff. If you pay less, the EPF department, I mean the government, they will ask you to list out what are the amount. They will show you why it's different. Sometimes it's like update. Like let's say government say, oh, this month the figure calculation for will be different. Maybe it will be less 1%. So because of we already generate the payroll already, of course we cannot do the backward, right? So system need to do the month end, then you baru can go for update, right? Update to the new, I mean, you can baru update the newer version. So after newer version, the calculation will be different. For the that following month, the figure would be less and less because of January, let's say January until February, you pay more. March start to the December, the amount calculated for PCV will be less. But at the end of the year, the total out is the same. Because of I got one of our customer, they query from the government. They say, how come EPA PCV amount will be less? They will show them the amount, or because of we system we generate like this. For the 4 month, we total out with the same. Actually, we total out for 12-month figure, the figure is the same. You need to show them the report lah. This is a case for I know lah. Okay. So pay so far okay. Anything you want to ask for the pay? This is the more important part is this pay lah. Either first half or second half lah. You have to depend you are using months once a month or pay. I mean you pay twice a month. If you pay twice a month, you need to process first and second lah. First and second, then the report will be first and second. They have the mention report lah. First report, second half report lah. Okay. Second half report lah. Okay. So a lot of report here. You need to try one by one lah. I'm not sure all the report lah. I just click some report for you to see. Like employee allowance report like this. Deduction report. If you got any LT, leave report. Okay, leave report. This is more allowance. Tax release. This one, this is a total lah. Summary report. So every month you need to print out or you want to save. Before do the month end, right? Before you do the month end, make sure you have to do the backup. You need to back up your data first. You can schedule backup lah. You can choose the backup, meaning to say, maybe I can choose month end before month I need to backup automatically. Or you can choose this one. What are the folder you want to put? What are the folder you want to set to the system? Then what type you want to backup? If not, then you do manually. You do manual backup before you do the month end. You put backup, then choose the folder you want to put. Payroll folder or that company lah. Let's say that company is 10. A company called ABC. You select that month is a January. Okay, put January lah, 2024. Okay, you backup. Once done, you can see see a folder here. Okay, this is for January. So anything happen, you want to readjustment for the figure. So please don't restore. You don't restore same folder. You don't restore. I mean, you cannot restore with the same folder, current folder. Okay, you try to, let's see out. You create another company for you to do the viewing or what? To viewing only. Because you want to do some adjustment, you do the viewing, you create another one. Maybe this one for March, for January. You generate another one. This one for you to do the adjustment. You want to check only. Maybe you want to reprint the pay slip, whatever. Then you go in. Okay, you go in, you do the restore. You do the restore from that folder. Yeah. Restore. store. See, 10. Where do we pick up file? See, let's say your file got error, they cannot restore. Let me see a file. Very and you can see January, then restore. Once you restore, you can do some adjustment in here. You don't override the existing one. Okay. This is for you to do the reviewing or you do some adjustment. After that, you done adjustment, maybe you need to update figure from here, you can update in. Or after that, you already update here, you can do the backup in this folder, restore to this folder. Now you got two data already. This is in case the data, you losses your data. Oh, this is in case, in case. We do the separate is safety for the current data. Because I got customer, they override in the current data they go. So they need to rekey in the figure from January to December. Because they override wrong database or they pick up wrong database. Okay. Okay. So payroll so far okay, This one may be easier to see, right? They got a list here. If you want to go for new layout like this, you want to back to the classic is like this. Classic one is okay, classic.
Mr. William?
Yeah.
Yes. I have a question. Can the font size of the wordings
Font 5? What do you mean font 5?
no, the font size can
Oh,
we change? Can we
I mean,
adjust the font size?
you mean the software?
Your layout, yes, for the software.
You want a bigger one, right?
Yes.
It depends for your computer resolution. The
Okay.
computer resolution can be, the computer resolution for display, right? The display for resolution, you can change to bigger if you want.
Okay.
If you put bigger, of course, the layout is bigger. Okay. See, the layout will be bigger, right?
Yes.
This is
So
the
just
depend your
change
computer.
the resolution of our desktop.
Yeah. Because
Okay.
you switch to the classic mode, right? The layout is longer and longer. That's why you want to scroll to the left side. You need to scroll and scroll up. So some customer they need to one page, right? So they will be, they will adjust the resolution become the smaller. Then you can see all the report. You can see all the list. Otherwise, you need to scroll in, scroll out. Like this. Okay.
你可以看一下 check 哪一个问题。
什么问题？
你看一下 check message 那边。
开什么？我听不清楚。
你去 check message 那边看一下，就
Check
是
message.
我们有
Okay. Working day for the employee need to key in manually every month. No need. For the first time, for the first time, you need to update lah. Because see I need to ask you the first your working day is a fixed one or different? Because some company the working day or this month in January I put 31 days. Next month is February I put 38 days. Is that one when you do the month end, right? When you do the month closing, they'll ask you second working day of the month, you want to update to what? Normally it's first it's a flat rate lah. We using the 26 day to do the calculation lah. This one easier for them to do the adjustment. Even though the February only 28 days, even though you got 31 or 30 days, we still remain from 26 days to do the calculation. Oh, once the non-pay is how to do the calculation. Okay, 26 days. Let's say they take 2 days for the non-pay leave. For the 26 day, you deduct 2 days. Because the calculation is based on 26 days. All the deduction are also based on 26 days. Unless you don't want deduction for then you don't want based on the 26 days, you need to calculate based on the month. You need to recalculate the figure for the rate for the rate for the deduction. I mean the rate for the deduction is like this. I show you the rate for the deduction. Okay. This is the rate. Oh, 这个是它的 rate 这是它的 rate。他们的 deduction for the rate. Oh. Okay. So normally this one we do the month. This one still stick to the 26 day. Oh. Normally some of the company they don't have any update. They just do the month end, then we process again because of they don't have allowance. I mean they don't have a festival allowance. I mean whatever allowance meaning this month I get another allowance is 500. Next month I get 300. That one you need to do the updating to the system. If let's say you don't have this kind of thing, right? You just directly do the process only. Just process pay, then they will show you the figure already. Okay. You get the figure already. Check away. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Setting. Next this one is a maintenance. No? I mean, you want to add in the line maintenance. Let's say you got line 1, line 2, line 3, or whatever. You can key in. Branch, you can key in here. Branch and the description. Add new. This one. B1 coaching or whatever. B1 PKCH coaching. 0 speed. You can choose department, the account department, what department, IT department, project maintenance. Okay. Go down. This one can change. Change meaning I can change department A to B. A to B or B to C or whatever. B to C, C to E. Okay, this data. Check this one inquiry on the index. Index and upgrade only when you see some of the figure would be slightly not updated, right? Maybe you can run the index. The index meaning to regenerate the system figure because sometimes you link networking, then it might be because when you link the networking, the data, the other computer they update to the system, maybe they got some error out. So you need to do some this update and the index. They will regenerate the amount. They will generate the amount for you. Okay. This one know already, right? This one update figure, 12-month figure update, you can manually update in. Or even though allowance deduction all time, whatever here. This is for submission for the report. Okay. Intake report setting, general setup, label, set form setting. This is a password. Password, you can key in the current password. You can change. Let's say you got control label, right? Just now say, let's say I label one, I don't want people to see. So you give them label 2 or label 3 or label 1. You don't give them label 0. Label 0 is a master. You need to create ID for ping to 1 and 3. Maybe you put 1, 1 cannot see 0, 0 can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 can see 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this is the label control. User management, this one is like, some of the report I don't want them to see. I can choose. I can pick up, what report I don't want them to see. I can choose. I can highlight. I can off it. Then save it. Then they only show you whatever they want to enter. Because some of the part like one only. You only do the process pay. I just open the process pay for you to do to let you to enter. One other report I don't want to allow you to see, even though the government report, EA report, whatever figure I don't want you to see. Then you cross the you cross out all the report. Okay, you see there can buy pin and ID lah. They can buy ID and they can sort by ID and the pin number. Pin number just now is a 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 lah. ID is just now is a username, is like username 1 2 3. This is admin. Okay. So later you can try to do some you can create your own, try to key in some sample. For example, you can key it in here. Like this. Thing. Yeah. License. No, this address is this one for Majikan address updating. Okay, this one. Table is allowance table lah, deduction table lah, OT table lah, working hour table. You can click in. This is for, you see, normally you are using table 1. Per year, 12 months, per day, per month is 26, 26, 26, right? Let's say just now you say, my my OT calculation, I don't want based on 26 days. I want based on the month. You can choose, you can change. This is a monthly rate, this is a daily rate, this is a hourly rate. This is hourly rate. Actually, they have 3 rate. 3 rate here. Actually, they got 6 table lah. Even though one employee can different table. Different table. Different policy lah. If we call different policy lah. Hours. Monthly or hour. This one money. Shift allowance. This is a shift allowance. Piece using the red one, the formula. They got formula using it. This is just how I say fingertip. Fingertip meaning you link to the fingertip, you can import the hours. OT hours. OT hours. The rest table. Let's say you got Chinese, Indian, Malay, Iban, Bidayu, whatever, Malana, whatever extra, you can key here if you want. You want extra, Okay, religion also. Buddha, Christian, Hindi, Islam, others, you can put another religion. Okay. This one, domination table, no need. They got the routing table. I show you the routing table here. Okay, the calculation for the routing. If let's say you're using we call bank transfer only, this one doesn't matter lah. If you're using a cash one, maybe you can routing. You need routing for you need to route out for how many cents? 5 cents or 1. Maybe they have after calculation, they have the 23 cents. They will route to 20 cents or 25 cents. This is called routing calculation. You can go to here to look up. Either you want to look down or look up. Or look, run. This is the OT routing. This is a smaller unit for OT. This is the total. This is a 2 decimal point only. 2 decimal point. Control, you can default the payslip layout. Different company can different the layout. Oh, company A, I want be the V. Company C, I want be the X. The default may be the landscape. Okay. Landscape. Yeah. This one, not so important. Yeah. Auto running number, no need. That's the ID, this one no need. They apply. So this is a text EPF table. Let's say you want to change the table because some company they're more than the 30%, 70%. So maybe you create another table called 70%. Then for those are using 70%, you choose table, whatever table you create, either 3 or 2 or 4. This is based on your company policy. No need. Yeah, save it. So table, this one standard, this one up to date one. Last side is this one more than 4,000, right? Last side only under 4,000, right? Now already up to more and more already. That's why the payroll system they will time to time need to update because of the government part. They always ask this, ask that. So because last time only update one. Once you buy, you use forever. No need update the system. You also don't need pay extra fee for the software. Pay once a time, you forever. But now cannot already because of government. This month say like this, next month say like this, this month change like this, next month say like this. A lot of setting need to set because of all the government report will be different. Then you need to report because of some of the government report like EF form, the changes, the changes and the layout will be different. Sometimes you need to update the version. You still can I mean you can choose not to update, but because the figure will be slightly different if your system you're not out to date. Okay. Yeah, this is all the setting. This table setting, or go here setting. Make sure the allowance table they have two types. You need to remember, either is a fixed or variable. This is two types. Two type. This one using a formula one. Food allowance they using a food. They based on the this one is a food allowance they using the day basic. Day basic meaning say, this month I 2 days not come, so they will deduct 2 days. Maybe you get 24 days only, the allowance for the food, and they do like this. Number of days, they do number of days, they will deduct, the non-pay day and the absent. But some company they don't do like this, they fix, easier, easier. Okay. Okay, all the table here. This is all before you do the starting to payroll. Make sure the table setting need to done first. Like allowance, what allowance you have, you need to update first. Easy for you to do the process. If the table is blank, then the figure you put in also don't know what is the figure you are going to put. Then what is the title of the allowance? What are the deduction for the allowance? Also don't know. You need to update in first. Okay. Loan, whatever. You need to update it. Loan amount. One table, okay, set okay, password, addresses, done. Integration, this one export lah. This is export. Actually, they can export the. Okay, last time I saw people say you want to import, right? Is it you want to import the data? Okay, let's say you want to import from other software or others CSV file. Before that, you need to export the record to the You have to follow lor. I mean, the follow meaning to say you have to follow the field. Like this. Oh, I want to update in, I put here. I put another A02, whatever. Then what the name? You copy and paste. Then you can key, you follow our field. Okay, once done, I follow our field. Okay, you follow my field, all the this one done. Then I can do the import. The import for you. Import. So send, then import. Okay. This is a pair record. Record. Payroll record. See here. Export. Should be no problem. So we can import. If you want to try, you can try now. You can try some sample, then you try to import some of the employees. See can go in. If you don't know, if you cannot, you let me know. No? Let me know, then I will ask you. I will help you to do this one. This part. External application is for those are linked to like okay, you know, when you do the payroll, 1 or 2 years, okay, everything of course they will ask you to submit the form, submit the report. Okay, either current year or previous year they need this one, your master, your payroll register, and the chart account. These three files they need. You just generate from the system. Okay, they generate from the system. They will send to this folder, target to this folder. You can change the folder, you can change the folder name now. This one is for LSTM they need now. They might need this one. They need the data. They need the data info. Like this. They might need this one. Because all the info is here. Inside here. Okay. All the data inside here. Then they plug into the system, they can see, oh, this siapa, this who, then what report, is different, no, yeah, because year to date you need to do submission for BE, right? Actually the BE, the figure, they want to compile with your this one. They want to compile. You want to compile, cannot run one of this one, you need to submit. But this one, some of the this one is a bank. See, this is a bank, Holion Bank program, M Bank, Holion Bank. This is a extra like add-in. You want to submit payroll format, EPF format, social format, SDM format. This one linked to the bank, in the bank. Okay. So out there the bank, okay, no, this one is bank, so no. The more important part is two parts. First, employee. Second, payroll. All the others is a report. It's a report. Okay. Report actually can done by here. Okay, this is by month. This report is for January. I mean for January by like 12 month, 12 month figure. 12 month figure update. Year to date. We call year to date. Year to date report. Year to date report. This one individual. Actually, this individual you can see here. You can see report payroll here. Actually, you can see by here. Easier to see here. You see here. PPS, social, yes, income tax. Actually, this three here. This one. This one link to the bank. This link to the bank. If you go bank, then link to the bank, then you press save, then they will generate. They will generate the I mean the sample file. Sample file, then like this. Then normally they will generate the letter also. The 对，好了，还有 boss sign to approve 了。诶，我我让你所有越南 income tax report。This is a commission bonus, extra. Actually, this one report can done by here. Can show by here. You can see here now. With the payroll, they can see here. You can see here. Huh? All can see here. Report here. All can done here. Okay. Any problem nggak? Confused? Easy? Understand? 会懂啊？OK 吗？你们 OK 呀、
Hello，Hello
啊？
William，
呀，
怎样可以说一个 example？像 EPF，我们要先去 EPF account，如果我们要做 payment，我们要
做
upload 它的
payment
tax file
说 OK，你是要做 payment 去他的那个 site 对吗？
我们要用 tax file
对，你就去这个 payroll 这边，它不是有 EBF 它不是有那个 report
啊，
EBF report，
然后
你可以你看啊，它不是有一个可以摆摆 this 呀？你看看摆 this contribute
啊，
contribution address，等一下这个 report，
嗯
对，这个 report，等一下要看什么啊？
嗯
这个是它的 layout 啊。
嗯
这个是这个，诶，不是这边，等一下啊，这个 report，EP address 这个你被告去一个地方，比如讲go to the C，you create your company name，let's
嗯
say call ten
嗯
under ABC select，
嗯
okay yes，this is a report， okay this is a file okay you know where is the file already so you go to the you go to C10 okay you can see your ABC 诶这个 file 这个了
所以这个话是 tax file 了哈，
你就是去你的 site 你的 website 你的那个 EBA 的 website 你
啊
就是把这个 file upload 进去
，OK，
啊你把它 upload 进去对吧？想看是这个吗？我看一下 CSB EBS 用 CSB 呢？我想一下EBA 很像是用
tax file，
text file
嗯
不是 text file 啊，不是它是这个 format，用这个
嗯
format，你用这个
，OK，
format，你看去
啊，
这个 EPA 波兰 BBCD 你
嗯
打你的 payroll 的名字一下，然后你选 fix format，export
嗯
file，你选你的公司
嗯
export，去你的去你那个月份的那个 data，
嗯
这个 format 这个是，你看它会有所有的 staff 的那些 detail
嗯，
它会 submit 去给他，就是你就是 upload 给他就好了。这个 upload 给他也不需要等那个一边 approve，不用了，这个不用了，
那
不需要了，
可以可以说，
他是
可以再说一次啊， 说再
那
说一次。嗯
EBF 这个
，OK
spot，你要选你的这些要打在
OK
address 那边啊，你的这个名
嗯
字要打在那个 address 那边，它就会出来的
OK export
啊。所以你选你的 folder，对吗？所以你就找这个 file 来 send，它就在这边，它会在 maybe here，file will be here C10
嗯
APC 这个
嗯 OK
哦 EBM MAR2
嗯
这个包括
OK
其他的啦哦，其他如果 ERS 啊所说那些要的话也是可以，
OK
也是可以 send，也是可以
OK
send 的。你可以 try 你 make sure 你的东西对了，correct already，
嗯
then you generate 下 the figure is correct，then you try to send，see whether 要
OK
掉了啊。
OK OK
Sometimes
thank you。
update because of 你的那些 EPN number must be correct 啊，EPN
嗯嗯
number 啊
OK OK
，OK
thank
吗？
you thank you。
这是 OK 啊。
Yeah
哦，还有吗？还有问题吗？
手收跟你的 S 是一样的吗？
一样的地方，也是一样的地方，只是说收啊，上次他们是 combine 对吗？
嗯，
它
对，
它是 combine很像是
它可以分，
combine report，
它
很像是
可以分，它可以分，它
可以分
的。
可以分就没问，可以分就没问题了，可以分就没问题啊，也是一样的地方。
所以我们的 payroll 是每次做 first half，做 process，然后我们做 second half，我们才做 month end，对吗？
你是 once a month is a twice or once a month 呢
我们的是我 girls 有 twice 的，然后我们
？twice 的
senior
话你
half
就
是
要如果是 twice meaning to say half month half
啊
you need to process first half first 哦。
first half，然
OK，
后
the first
因为
the
我们
the
是
first half 你 first half 来讲
啊
你要 make sure 你的 first half 要不要扣 EBA 跟手手先？
哦，我们自己要 tick 呢
你可以选像刚才那个 setting 那边在这
啊
个这边诶查这个 layout 是这个有个 layout 是这一页，我随便那个 normal 目标给你看一下那个
嗯
cinema 它是12个页，12个页，嗯，看什么了？说说 OK，看是弄什么的？自己忘记是
啊
12个月，看是什么说是吗？
，first half 的如果要
哦，
deduct
不是，
那些
对对，他的去 personal 那边 personal，不好意思不好意
personal
思，personal 它不是有一个 setting，它这个在这边你看它 first up setting 不
哦
是，他会问
啊
你 first up EBA directly yes or
哦
no。
OK
by
OK
default 是 by default 是 no 啦，by default 是没有 deduction
对对对
就
OK
go for second because of month end after month end they will generate the EBA and so 咯。
啊
normally 是这样啦，if your company policy is different then you have to choose first half will be deduct
yes，然后 second half
second half 它就不用讲，它一定是扣的了，
哦 OK
它一
OK
定
OK
扣的if you first half deduct the second half of course they will deduct already，它
OK
会
OK
deduct the balance will be balance
OK OK。
yeah。
如好像这样，如果我们 first half 是我哥，如果我是做 second half，我要等那个 first half 做完才做 second half 吗？
如果你是 first half worker 来讲，你肯定要
哦
出 first half 的，你肯定要先出 first half 的 的薪水给你的 staff 先，对吗？Second half normally they will do by month end, right?
不是，因为
你
我是现在
can
自
do
建
early
我，
啦，can do
不是
early，
因为
你可以啊，
不是因为我 first half 是我跟，如果有时候我自己是还有一个是 management staff 是做一
哦，
次诶，所以我
可以可
是不是要
以可以，
等到他们做完了我才可以做，还是我自己可以自己先做？
因为你是 different person，如果你是 same
啊，
person 的话，一定要 is the same person do once twice a month 啊，you have to do
没
first and
有，
second 啊，如果
我
that
是
that
我
that
我是我
staff
的那
那就没有，我们直接去 second half 哦，
我自己做 second half，我另外一个
这个是 second half
assistant 做
啊，
两个的，可以哈
可以
？OK
的。
好，可以试
把
试
你make sure 因为你叫做什么呢？When you update process pay you
啊
only process for that particular 你啦，because you do the process
啊
pay，choose
啊
that particular first or that I mean that label or that branch for I
嗯
mean to say for that particular is 啦，because if you process another person mean to say first and second one they will total out already。他也没
OK
有错啦，他也没有错，只是讲可能你等一下你忘记再去 reprocess 再去 update 的话，它的 figure 可能有改东西你不懂。
OK，好好好
sure make sure
，OK
because first and second 你要注意看一下啦，
OK 好
尤其的deduction 就是来 EBN 所说那些咯，有
OK
时候他们会 miss 掉他们的 calculation 会不准 ，because 他没有算到是吗？
还有一个是说，如果我们 PCB 怎样，
嗯，
我们 PCB 我们用 PCB calculator 算
对
stack 吧，
对对
然后你
对对对，
们的也你们的收费也是用，如果我要 double confirm，如果可能我的 figure 不一样，我要 double confirm whether 你的收费的 PCB 是怎样算，我怎样去看呢？
OK，他只能在这边看他只有一个地方是这样的，如果是I mean all type 它是这样，你去view pay，它这边有一个叫 view calculation 吗？它的
OK
算法
OK，好好
你只能够在这边这样看
哦，对
你
对对对，
自己
我可以
看一下它的
compare 啦
你要 compare 一下，到底
啊，
它是没有 deduct 到，
还是我
或者
放错这样了 OK
你看它 children 2000吗？跟它的
啊
sale deduct 9000，所以你要看一下
啊
calculator 那边它有没有 deduct this or do。
OK 好好 OK 谢谢
他们会影响到就是那个 K 的关系就是
啊
spousal
对
work 那些啦，
OK 好 OK
他是没有，他应该是说法是没有。
Thank you。
嗯anything want to ask？let's say 啦let's say you want to do manually for the PCV then make sure this one you to put 啦let's say in case or I don't want to follow or because of they join in the middle of the year then the calculation of course is different right so you do the e-calculator then you key manually for the while lah for the beginning of the year maybe it's slightly different then you key manually then once the year end already they will generate the new year like this January supposed to be season January will be correct lah because now it's January if you starting from February of course you need to update January first before they generate the PC for February they will make slightly different if you let's say you January don't have the figure because they count from February February to December that's why the figure will be slightly different anything
你可以做个 summary，就是我们要再跟我们讲的一个 summary 这样就是一开始我们现在要做什么这样一个 summary 吧。
就是讲 without employee number 那个 number 了是不是？
什么？ 是
这样是这个
不是，我意思是说，现在你就是做一个总结，我们这个
payroll
对 payroll 的总结。
OK，总结来讲，不是 for the summary of the payroll right？OK，the first thing you need to do is the company when you do the generate the new company then I try to log out I sign in once you create a new company, to make sure the company addresses in the year, the financial year, you need to update first. Update meaning to say you need to fix in first before you do the process. Oh, once you process, you see this one cannot change already. I cannot change 2023, but this one still can change, but this one cannot change. If you cannot change, how? You regenerate the new one, you create another one now. Oh, this one make sure you have to create, you have to set up first. This is the first. Second, you update your personal employee. You need to update in, then you got figure, then you can process to the pay. If you don't have figure, then you don't have allowance title or whatever. When you do the generation, the report will be less than something. Okay. This is the second thing. Third thing is the final thing is the process. Either you are processed in the first half or second half. If you start is once a month, you go for second half. If you start is twice month, you need to go for first half first. Okay, first half is a half month, 13 days. You don't put 26 days. Put 13 days. 3天半个月是13不是15天不是15天not 15 days if your calculation based on 26 days, of course half is 13 days 13 days okay. This one this is the first then you update, then you go to process pay this one. Same with the new layout new layout also send then you go to second half, also send normal pay, then you update, then you go to process. Go to process, then you can go to report already. You can view already. First half, first half. First half, make sure the amount not 不是5000half is a half half. It's a half. Okay, once you done first and second, before you jump to the next month, make sure you do the backup. You jump to the next one, you have to do the backup first. You have to do the backup. Then you go to my end. Go to my end. Okay, this one go file. You switch to custom mode, modern mode. You just go to pay. You go to pay. Payroll. You just switch to closing my end or backup first. See, yeah. Closing. Yeah. Then process. Actually, they can move forward or remove transition if you want. If you don't want, move forward. Move forward. This one move forward. Move forward. First out working day, you can key in 13 days. Then process. You become March ready. Okay. Still can show the figure lah. Then you can see the figure for the previous but they only show only see you cannot do some adjustment already because of they're closed already. Only thing you can do the adjustment at this one. At here. Take a see here. You change by here. Okay. This is the process. Then the reporting, of course, after my end, then you need to submit is like EPF or solo. And if, let's say you link to the bank in future, the report you can directly link to the bank. Then you can look for the bank account. I mean, you can choose payroll. Then this one March, per month. You go to bank file. They can link to the bank. What are the bank you are using? Then they will link to the bank. Actually, it's the text file also. submit to the bank officer, then they will upload to the system, then they will process the pay. This is true bank lah, this is true bank. Easier lah for future, easier for you to you no need to double entry at the bank side lor. You only just submit only. To make your payroll easier, less time. Okay, that's all. The rest all the report already. Then what report you want to print, you just go to choose what report you are going to print. For the financial year, then year end, you go to income tax report lor. Of course, this one need to print lor. CPA lor. CPA, this one. P39, most of the report need to print it. ECB. That's all. Okay. Understand?
Mr. William,
Mr.
William, if we got another subsidiary, we just create another company name, is it?
Subsidiary submission
In
EPA
our-
is together or
No.
different?
Different company. So that means that we create another one in our software, is it?
Yeah, you create another
Yeah.
one. You create another new
Okay.
company. Make
Okay.
sure I need to make sure whether you are submission EPA and social is different company or not. If same, it
Yeah.
must be one company lah. If different, of course you need another.
Okay. Thank you.
Actually, you can create another extra one also. It also can, because some company they don't link to the bank or what they're using cash one, only cash only. Like foreigner, whatever. My customer also.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay 吗
Mr. William，
？Yeah.
你有那个 manual 吗？
Manual 有吧，是这种旧的 layout 啦，它不是新的 layout。它的 OK， 你直接可以去 site， 不是你打，其实你去 website 打，不是你去谷歌。现在 send 给你了，我 send 给我 send 给你那份了。我那个是那种比较旧的版本，就是讲因为他们没有，他们现在已经没有写成这样的了，他们现在是做 release note 了。它是其实 more or less 它里面的东西是差不多一样的啦，只是它的那个 layout 是差不多是像这样的 layout like this layout 了，这样的 layout。把里面的
你是
content
做 pass 那个是吗？
它的 content 还是一样的，它的 content 它里面的这些 wording 都是一样的meaning 的。
你会 email 一份给 May 是吗？
等一下我 send 给 David 咯，我叫 David send 给你们可以吗？
好，可以。谢谢。
OK 吗？有东西要问吗？
我那个新的 layout 你可以再看了一下。
这个
对，所以我是刚才是 housekeeping 嘛，我那个 set up， 然后这个是在哪里啊
setting 这边
OK。
payroll setting 是这些table 啦 allowance 这边。bank 的 setting 这个那这它不叫 bank setting 其实这个不是叫做 bank setting， 这些是叫做 addresses all 的 addresses 是包括 tax EPF social 啦，都在里面要 set 的咯。for company 啦 ，for company 的 setting 啦，是这几个啦 ，general setup、payroll setting， 这个是 government setting，this one is addresses。data management 来就是来你的这个你的 update 咯，12个月 update， 你有没有要 key in 那些 maintain 的东西咯？你有什么 maintain 要 create， 你可以这边 create。这个 checklist， 这个是 report 是 report， checklist 是 report。 employee minimum wages 你的这里是 check report 的 contribution category employee history report PF 这些都是 report 的 payroll
然后Amy 有一个问题哈，你看一下这
啊哦 separate from month end salary OT and claim OT and claim month end on the you mean the OT plan for 7 of the I mean next month so normally next month they will process to the next month 就是 say like okay I ask you this OT they got deduction right 有没有扣EPM OT 有扣 EPM 对吗
没有，
没有
OT 扣收有
有有
the social is paid on the I mean the social is paid on the next month or paid on that month
3 month next month before 7
没有，他的意思是说这样想，他的意思是说，因为他是 他的 pay day 是 7，但是他是做在好像January 他是做在 January 的 payroll， 只是他的 pay day 慢一点他的工钱还是在同一个月，只是他的 pay 不一样的时间出
OT 慢出啦
所以他是不是要做 first half， 然后再做 second half？
OT 慢出，不用。如果是 OT 慢出的话，
但是他说那些全部是在1月扣的，他是在同一个月扣，只是他的 pay day 慢一点。
让他出薪水的时候是还没有扣咯，对不对？
他出薪水的时候
还不能扣啦，
他已经
扣了没有还没有扣因为还没有算吗？
对，
没有算，还没有算的话 ，OT 你用 first half 出你的doctor 你怪怪的我想一下
是不是就是 key 那个 OT 去
sorry
就是 key 那个 OT 进去，然后还需要 process 吗？需要 process
要 process
然后我们就还那个 difference
可以这样可以这样做只是讲你的 pay slip 要 print 2次嘞，不是吗
2次 print 1次就好了，因为就等那个 OT 还好才给他了。
你是讲你 OT 的时候才出给他啦？
对，有 OT 的人就是慢拿到 payslip 咯。
这样 OK，这样也是可以。如果你这样不能的话，你 go for 另外就是可能放在extra 这边咯，你懂我意思或者是 under commission 有点怪怪的，应该是
所
extra 的。
你的
如果你能
payroll
够你能够范围一样，那是最好了。because of 中文呢，因为 because of 它有它的那个layout， 它有它的那个它有这个 layout。就是你的这个的 columns因为它在里面嘛，你可以说，比如讲我现在放20 hours，所以我 process 我会有 report，就是讲来 I go report in COT T 有 overtime 的 layout 你看你的 report，你会有一个 overtime 的 layout，就是来你会有一个这样的东西。如果你 not in the 它的那个 column 来讲你不会说在 overtime 那边可能是说其他地方因为有的人他们有这样的情况他们有的人是拿 first 来做 OT， first half 做 OT 把他的那个 payroll 他就 pay 在 next month，就是January 7 onwards the calculation of the 那个所说 EI 不是，它是 based on next month，有人是这样算，这样它就不会乱了。如果你是 pay before 的话，因为你要等7号算出来，你还要倒回来这边改了，它会 regenerate 新的那个 EI 所说了
对
，OK 吗？
，OK，
不是他的 OD 是 before，
它的
它
OT 是
是
after pay 吗？after OK
after pay 才做
31st
啊
January 它已经出 pay 了吧？这个 OT 还没有
啊
算吗？
对，然后
这个是 after 就是可能7号过后它还没有 closing 嘛，它还是做 January 嘛，你还可以放进去啦，
放进 second half。
放进 second half
哦，你不可以
啊
separate 另外一个吗？
，separate 另外一个
你们这
，separate
个没有，
另外一个，你
你们没有
你是要当一个
for
OT 而
OD
已，
有吗？
没有当一个 OT 而已哦，I mean
哦，
它因为 OT 是 related 到 pay 的，你明白是吧？
知道知道，
你可以
因为我们
你啊，你可
因为
以这样
我们旧
process，
的有
你可以
有有
try 你可以 try
马上
你可以 try 这样啦，你用 first half 来做你的 full month，
啊
然后你的 second half 来做 OT，你看它的 calculation 会对吗？
跑掉吗？
会
哦，
跑掉啊，因为你 first half
哦
你不能放13天，你要放26天哦。
对对对对，
所以你要
叫我们自
make
己
sure
改。
你要 make sure let's say for those 真正是 actual is 13 days 你不
啊
可以跟他放36 day，等一下你的 calculation 的 amount 会 be different
啊，
会 confuse
没有，我们全部
因为
都26天的嘛。
对26天把你这个 case 你在你的这个 first half 你要放13天，你要放26天哦，
对，
因为你要做
哦
full day 嘛，你要做 full pay 嘛，你的 first
OK
half 你要做 full pay 来讲，你要放26，for the
OK
second half only process the OT only
OK，
啊，会懂啊？
懂。所以
啊
但是在 second half 那边那个 day 不用放的咯，要放吗？也是要放26。
day 不用放，
OK，
因为等一下你不用放 day 的话你阿猫不用放的话，等一下你不用放 day 的话，
才能够算吗？OD
我看一下他会算得出吗？Let's say day 6 day 不用放5000不用放。其实那个 day 有放没有放，没有什么关系，因为那个俺猫是零了，
OK，
是零这样讲我算一下有没有算你的嗯 OTA 咯？allowance 有在里面，OT 有放到吗？我看一下 OT 有吗？OT OT 有放，不会出诶，OT 不会出，because of 猫没有在里面哦，because of basically
没有
没有在
被这样。
等一下，这样的话这个范围5000，我不要
26对，
放别，对，
没有放不能出，我觉得
放看一下的，嗯可以啊179.8，有，这边呢应该可以啦，应该没问题啊。只是你要知道for those 是这样的 method你要 make sure 你要 capture 一下你这些 for full month 是在 first half 的咯。
嗯
啊，可以这样做啦，可以这样做，只是你要注意一下啦，因为你会掺到你的 half month 的那个薪水的人，所以你 print summary or report 你要 make sure 它是一个 category 的，这些是 for those 有 OT 的那这样就不会乱了哦。开玩笑，不少朋友说，诶，这么 half month 他拿full amount，怪怪的啊。
嗯
你两种 option either 你用 first or second，either 你直接去 second 改它 after 7号你再改一下就可以了，也是可以这样如果你要这样做的话，如果他们是有 first and second 的话，那个就不能那个就不能够这样了哦。I mean for those 有 try months 的话呢，one got try months
嗯，
对吗？还有吗？还有什么问题？不明白了？
不明白再打电话给你。
可以，没问题。再安排一个时间，没问题的。到时候你们几时要 install 那个 software
我们再跟 David 沟通一下。
你跟他 confirm 了，然后我才安排时间去跟你们 install 了哈。
好，可以。
因为你现在 training 了，不是？你一定要赶快 install 了，你就要去 starting 用了。你
好
不可以不可以等了，等一下又忘记去
可以。
啊啊
嗯，
OK
好。
So today training until here OK
对。
Thank you.
OK 拜
拜拜。
拜。